nature of the roots of quadratic equation. So in this topic, every quadratic equation. So when you observe every quadratic equation, it gives two values. Okay, two values of unknown variable. Already we know that general form, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here is x is the variable. It gives two values. Now the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends on entirely on the value of the discriminant. So discriminant we can use capital D, that is b square minus 4ac. Without solving or without finding the solution, we have to find out the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots means what type of roots they are, like they are imaginary or real numbers, or rational, or equal or unequal. So that we can use this nature of the roots. It is depending on the discriminant. So 3 points. In case after finding b square minus 4ac using general form, first let me give the formulas. If b square minus 4ac, the discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. So in this case, roots are real and equal. And one more. And b square minus 4ac value. So three options, either equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, then in this case roots are, value is greater than 0. So roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. So two different values will get. Is equal to 0, same roots will get both. Greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. And b square minus 4ac is less than 0. In this case, roots are imaginary because value is less than 0, negative number. So roots are imaginary. So we can say they are imaginary roots. That means not equal, not real. Which are not real, they are the imaginary, like root 2, square root of minus 2, square root of minus 5, negative value under root. Okay, that will see in the problems. So these are the three concepts to find out the nature of the roots. Without solving, examine the nature of the roots, we can use this. Let us see one example. 5x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now question is, without solving, examine the nature of the roots of this equation. Right? So for that, according to this a, b, c values, okay, a value is x square coefficient 5, b value x coefficient minus 6, c is the constant 7. We have to find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So that value according to this problem, b square minus 4ac, b value minus 6 square, so whole square, minus 4 into a c, a value 5 and c value 7, right? So minus 6 whole square, 36, minus 4 into 5 is 20, again into 7, so 140. Now this value is minus 104. This obviously we know which is less than 0. So we got d value less than 0. Then we can say that which is negative. So roots are imaginary. Therefore, roots are not real. That is, roots are imaginary. So roots are not real. Not real roots. Their roots are imaginary. If it is greater than 0, this is the answer. If it is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. This is without solving, we can find out. And based on the nature of the roots also, we have the questions like this. For example, find the value of m. Find the value of m if the roots of the following quadratic equation are equal roots. The roots are equal, what is the value of m? So the equation is 4 plus m x square plus m plus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if the roots are real and equal, then what is the value of m? So they only mentioned in the question roots are real. Because if the roots are real and equal, the roots are real and equal, what is the value of m? So since roots are real and equal, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here is x square coefficient is, this is b, a, x square coefficient a, and x coefficient is the b and constant is c. This will substitute in this b value. M plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value is 4 plus m, c value is 1 is equal to 0. So according to this, since the roots are equal, we can make this. Then you can simplify, you get the answer. A plus b whole square formula, m plus 1 whole square, m square plus 1 square 1 plus 2m. Next, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 itself. So 16 minus 4 into m is minus 4m is equal to 0. Then m square plus 2m minus 4m minus 2m plus 1 minus 16 is minus 15 is equal to 0. Again, by solving this, solely we know the solving of quadratic equation. We will see that by factorization method, by splitting we can find out the value of m. So m is equal to 5 or m is equal to minus 3. Right? Again, factorization also I will show you. Next, this is the by solving you'll get m value. The main concept what I am showing is nature of the roots, that is based on these three uh, principles we can find out this. Right now, if it's a quadratic equation, how to find out the solutions by using factorization method, we'll see. In that also you can notice this problem. If there any quadratic equation in this format, x squared term, like square term and constant term and that particular variable term, we'll see one.